Once you have entered the entire list of CIBs and programs, or for returning members, made changes to a CIP or program name, you are ready to enter your data. There are two methods for entering data, either entering directly into the portal or uploading your data in an Excel fixed column file or a flat file. In this video, I'll explain how to construct and upload an Excel fixed column file. For instructions on how to enter your data directly into the portal, see the video titled Entering Data. If you elect to gather your data in one place and upload all the information into the portal, you will need to set up an Excel file per the instructions found on our website. Here we have assembled several different formats to assist in setting up the file. Each column in the file represents a specific data point. Each row in the file represents the data points for a specific program. This first section shows the portal page and what columns in your Excel file represent the corresponding cell in the portal. You can download a PDF for an example. Column A is your VICE code, and that would be the same number for every row of data. Column B is your program title. Column C is the CIP for that program. Column D would be bachelor degrees, first majors only, granted by this program, and so on. In the next section is a list of all the required data needed to complete the study. Again, you can download a PDF of this form. Down the left-hand side is the column letter in the Excel file that corresponds to a specific data point. For example, column I would be your entire tenure track faculty, and each row would be the CIP or program name that includes their salaries. This third section is similar to the portal page and shows the data and what is the corresponding column header. Underneath is what your Excel file would look like when it is assembled. Once you have assembled your Excel fixed column file, you are almost ready to upload your data into the portal. At this point, you will need to delete all column headers you may have in your file. Typically, we suggest you delete row 1 and resave the file under a different name, such as input file, so that the original can be used for subsequent years. Please make sure that all columns are formatted as numbers or values, except for the columns that contain text, such as B and H. This includes any columns that contains formula. They must be resaved as values. When you go to upload your file, this is what it should look like. On your home page, you will see a button that says Upload Data for Multiple Departments. Click on the link and you will be able to browse for your file. Then click Upload. This may take several minutes depending on how many programs you have. If you receive an error message, go back to the home page and click through your programs to make sure there is data in each program. If you come to one that doesn't have data, this may help you narrow down what may have caused the error. There are a few more common errors that happen in an upload. Check the order of your columns. Make sure your VICE code, the name of the program, and the CIP are in the correct order. Make sure there are no formulas in the file, hidden columns, or column totals at the bottom. The upload process checks for additional data, even if it is hidden in the file, and will produce an error as there is no place to put the extra data in the portal. One column is intentionally left blank, column BS. Please make sure there is no data in that column. In addition, an error message will appear if you have both a dollar figure and a percentage amount for benefits. If you have checked all of these possible issues listed above and see no reason for the error, please contact us and we will assist in finding a solution to your problem. Whichever way you choose to populate the portal, we encourage all participants to scan each program page for possible inconsistencies of data. Some important things to look for are negative numbers in any of the cells. We do not accept negative data of any kind. Look for missing information or numbers that seem inconsistent with the other data on the page. Here are some examples of negative numbers and/or inconsistent or missing data. You will note the total FTE faculty is 15.25. The number 16 got in the separately budgeted column, which leaves a negative 0.75 instructional faculty. This is technically not possible, so please verify this data is correct. Perhaps it was a typo or incorrect data in your upload file. We are collecting data on first majors as well as all majors. Please make sure to complete both columns. If your institution does not allow second or third majors, or if a program doesn't grant those, then the number in the all majors column should be equal to the first majors column. This column should always be equal to or greater than the first majors column. If there are student credit hours in the fall, then there should be at least the same amount or more in the total year student credit hours. The fall cannot be higher than the total year.